bam. Look at my in-laws. Oh. Come inside.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Ah, you have really taken up my daughter very well.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's go inside. Very good.
No, you can't tell me that. I don't like you. No. I won't tell you that. Sweetheart, let's go.
My daughter, go inside.
No, sir. You can't tell me that. Sweetheart, let's leave this place.
Hello, Juna, go inside.
Dear, you are married to me. Let's leave this place.
I'm your father and I'll continue to be your father till father notice. Sorry, till judgment day. Go inside.
Sir, she's my wife. You gave her to me, and till death do us part, I'm not leaving her. Let's leave this place.
My friend, don't take the laws into your elbow hands. My daughter, go inside.
I'm a tactical man. Allow me to do this in a tactical manner. Let's go.
My daughter, go inside. Before, I normally had money inside all this book. Normally see.
Are you good later?
Well done.
I just let my result to go.
Very good. Let me see. School petenya. Parallel.
Yes, so daddy. Yes, so daddy. I'm so excited.
Like father, like son.
Yes, so. That's how we roll.
Yeah, good product.
Yes, daddy.
Go inside.
Thank you, daddy.
Come on, come back here. Come here. Where are you going to?
Daddy, you know you told us to go inside.
Let me see your results. School petenya. What's all this? F9 parallel. You failed.
Daddy, it's not like that I failed though. You know that. You told us that bad things always happen to good people.
Who is not the good person?
Daddy, I don't know, but since you are good, I'm also good.
No, Wala, I'm also good also. Check me now, you have done well. Leave there. Don't mommy here too. I've not beaten you. I'll allow your mommy to come first while I deal with you. Bad things always happen to good people. So you are not a good person. No, Wala. Like father, like son. God forbid. Like son, like mother.